expression of the Inca Cola. In 1933, Inca Colas, no, the companies Santa Santa Rosa, gaseosas, bebidas y gaseosas, calls now and Robinson, Joseph Lindsay and Son, o en español Robinson, Joseph Lindsay e hijos launch the Inca Cola. The 1936 arrived to Peru. Who is the person? Who arrived to Peru? The archrival is Coca-Cola. What will Inca Coca-Cola take to beat the great Coca-Cola? Like, the answer is that an extra detail Inca Cola and Casinelli. This is Casinelli and Eguchi, but I don't found any mandatory Igochi. We Alliance, we can transportate for all Peru. This is very good point for Inca Cola. Good Inca Cola. Good.